What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So here are detailed specifications of the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 folding smartphone. Everything is predictable and without major breakthrough. Foldable smartphones have become favorites in the Samsung lineup. The company is doing a lot to popularize them and maintains leadership position in the niche of devices with flexible displays. The annual Unpacked event is set to take place in August, where the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be unveiled. Internet sources have revealed the specifications of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 smartphone, which is being prepared by the South Korean giant Samsung. The novelty will replace the Galaxy Z Fold 3 mod, and today another batch of details about the new product has arrived. So it is reported that the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will receive flexible 7.6 inches Super AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz and a resolution of QXGA+ will be installed on the inside. On the outside, there will also be a 120Hz panel, but its resolution will be Full HD+ and diagonal of 6.62 inches. The hardware basis of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset in conjunction with 12 and 16 GB of RAM. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor will serve as the basis. It contains 1 Carrier Prime core with a clock speed of up to 3.2 GHz, 3 Carrier performance cores with a frequency of up to 2.8 GHz, and 4 Carrier efficiency cores with a frequency of up to 2.0 GHz. The capacity of the flash drive will be 256, 512 GB, and the device will run Android 12 operating system with One UI 4.0 user interface. The novelty will be powered a 4400 mAh battery with fast 25-watt charging. The new Galaxy Z Fold 4 should get a 16 megapixel front camera, which will be built under the surface of a flexible matrix. On the outside, they will offer a 10 megapixel module and a triple camera of 50 megapixel, plus 12 megapixel ultra wide, plus 12 megapixel telephoto 3x optical zoom. The smartphone will receive a USB Type-C port and IP68 water protection, NFC support for the wireless DeX stylus, Samsung Pay, 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2. The new Galaxy Z Fold 4 will officially launch in August this year, while the new Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphones will be officially launched in February 2023. It is expected that the new Galaxy S23 smartphone will be equipped with a 6.8 inches Dynamic AMOLED 3X screen with curved edges on the sides, QHD+ resolution, an image refresh rate of up to 120Hz, 5000 mAh battery and fast wired and wireless charging. For boosting smartphone performance, the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will receive massive UFS 4.0 storage, Exynos 2300 chipset, and the most powerful single-chip system, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for different regions in the world. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.